Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect Salesforce with Webflow. This should be a very simple and easy video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now if you search for Salesforce in here, you will not find any application that it is directly connected to Salesforce or an official application from Salesforce themselves. So there is other ways to integrate it which you could be finding in their website, but the best one for me is not by using Bricks. Bricks as well gives you the opportunity, but I don't like it at all. What I'd like to have is Zapier. Zapier is very easy, UI friendly, and gives you a lot of opportunities. Let me show you what to do. Click on your marketplace apps and then search for Zapier. Then choose the application and install it. After that, you need to have an account. I have already one. And then click on Connect Webflow to more than 8,000 applications. This will take you to this page where you can create the zaps. The zaps are basically the integrations or the automations. Here, let's go and rename this page. Let's name it Salesforce. Now, what I'm going to do is simply, here I'm going to choose Webflow. If it wasn't selected already, so normally it's going to be something like empty. It's not going to be selecting any application, so make sure to select Webflow from here. And then click on plus to add a step and then search for Salesforce. And here we go. So you can either go with Salesforce Essentials or basically Salesforce Premium. Now, this one we will need a premium account. So in case you didn't have, go with this one. So I'm going to choose the Salesforce normal one. And here simply all you need to do is to sign in your accounts for Webflow and Salesforce, both sides. And then click on the publish button and there you go. The automation now starts working depending on the action event and of course the trigger event that you have chosen. And yeah, that was completely it guys for today's video. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.